Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make khichu in instant pot. This khichu is a Gujarati dish made with rice flour and small amount of oil and very few ingredients. It is very easy to make and gets ready in just 10 minutes. So let's see the ingredients to make this recipe. We need rice flour 1 cup, water 3 and half cup, carom seeds 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, green chili paste 1 teaspoon, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, oil 1 tablespoon, coriander leaves 1/4 cup. First of all, start the instant pot on saute mode. Put water, cumin seeds, save some for a green masala, and add carom seeds in the water. Add salt and let it boil until the water starts boiling. Chop coriander, ginger, cumin seeds, green chili in the chopper. Add this green masala to the boiling water and drizzle oil in the instant pot. Now switch off the instant pot and add rice flour to the boiling water. I am not adding here baking soda, but you can add in the boiling water. And tip, while adding the rice flour and stirring with the back of the wooden spoon should be together. Try to avoid the lumps. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and share the video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as my new video is uploaded. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. For the written recipe, please check the description box below. Now after stirring, close the lid and set the whistle on sealing mode. Press porridge button and set the temperature to low by pressing the adjust button. Set the timer for 2 minutes. So after the timer is done, after 6 to 7 minutes, open the instant pot. That is, you are making the natural pressure release. You are waiting for more than 5 minutes, then it is a natural pressure release. And open the lid, and the khichu is ready. Some tips: you can flavor khichu with some dill leaves or spinach puree or beetroot puree or buttermilk. I made the peanut chutney and served it with khichu. The combination of crunch of roasted peanuts and soft khichu is amazing to taste. If making this khichu for kids under 2 years, then green chili is optional. Green chili can be replaced with half pinch of black pepper powder. The combination of rice and moong dal powder can be used to make the khichu for kids. I will show you the short recipe of peanut chutney. Take cumin seeds, garlic, salt, red chili powder and roasted peanuts and crush them and serve this chutney on the khichu. So we serve khichu with the drizzle of oil and the peanut chutney or the pickle masala. Try this recipe and enjoy. Let me know in the comment box if you try this recipe. Thanks for watching.